In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in n8n workflows. By the end, you'll know exactly how to narrow down execution logs so you can quickly find the runs that matter, diagnose issues, and verify results without scrolling forever. First, head to n8n.io in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, open the workflow you want to analyze. This puts you right where the execution history is connected to the specific automation you're working on, which keeps everything relevant and easy to trace. At the top of the editor, open the executions view. This page lists each run of your workflow, including when it started, how long it took, and whether it succeeded or failed. It's your main dashboard for understanding real activity. Next, open the filter panel. This is where we'll refine what you see, so the list shows only what you need. Start by choosing a status. Pick from options like successful, error, or running to focus on outcomes that match your goal. For example, use error to troubleshoot, or successful when you're validating a deployment. If you're not seeing what you expect, try widening the status selection. Now, set a time window by entering an execution start and an end. Use precise dates and times when you're investigating a known incident, or choose a broader range to spot patterns across days or weeks. Keep your time zone in mind so you're comparing apples to apples with your other logs and alerts. If you use execution tags, select the ones that matter for this search. Tags are great for grouping runs by environment, source, or campaign, and you can combine them with status and time to get a clean, focused list. If nothing appears, remove one tag at a time to broaden the results. You can also filter by rating. Ratings help you quickly surface high priority or reviewed runs. This is handy when you mark important executions during testing or post-incident analysis and want to revisit them. Finally, enter a key and a value to search for specific data inside the execution. This is ideal for pinpointing runs tied to a particular customer ID, email, or order number. Use the exact field name as it appears in your data. If your data is nested, dot notation can help, like customer.id, and values usually match exactly, so mind capitalization and spacing. As you adjust these filters, your execution list updates to reflect your choices. Use them together to home in on just the runs you need, and you'll spend less time searching and more time solving.